Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news
that Wike
as it
never
breaks.
taken.
Breaking news, yes, and events happening totally, generally.
If you talk of
So
character,
all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post, so that
you
can
can
get
very
updated. Okay? Stay
well
glued to
say,
this channel. We love you.
Your Excellency, Governor Isam Wike, you are very dependable. It is an honor and privilege to be in your midst today. I am a very happy man. Happy because I went through a gruesome campaign, fought hard, beat myself, supported by many of you, and I won. Fair and square. Isam, I say thank you for your contribution to my victory. I couldn't have done it without some structural support, as not describable in a flyover. In His Excellency, I see a man of principle. He took a principled stand that the presidency must return to South. And he has the courage to stand by his convictions, not minding which ox is gone. He is indeed a man of great integrity. He did not choose to serve his own interests, not about him. Rather, the interests of the nation. You promoted unity. You promoted fairness. You championed justice. Thank you. There was so much gossip and speculation, but you stood your ground.